bounds.
Here's the weather forecast for the city of Charleston, South Carolina. Today, it will be sunny, at a high of 95 degrees, the wind is calm, chances of rain is 2% chance.
A red flag warning has been issued for Charleston SCA. Red flag warning means warm temperatures, low humidity and dried fuel moistures, and strong winds expected within 24 hours. Dry conditions can occur when the temperatures can rise up more heat. Be aware that the fire might start due to dry conditions and dry fuel moistures. Remain cautious at all times. Stay tuned for more updates on the situation. Repeating, a red flag warning has been issued for Charleston SC till 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
A red flag warning is still in effect due to hot temperatures being reported across the state of South Carolina, and as well as Georgia and Florida. A red flag warning means warm temperatures, low humidity and dry fuel moistures, and strong winds expected within 24 hours. Please be careful, as dry conditions can produce fire when dry enough. Stay tuned to the National Weather Service office for more information on this red flag warning in effect.